Hey everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about English phobia or fear of English language. The purpose of my today's video is to make you understand that learning English language is not as easy as you may think, but it is not as hard as you consider. It is completely depend on your hard work, your effort, the way you think about this language and how much desire you will have to learn this language. Right? You are not supposed to know about magic, or you are not supposed to do magical thing to learn this language. This is all about your hard work and your effort. Right? So through this video I will try my best to make this clear concept to you, and also I will share a small story of mine which inspired me a lot, and I hope you are really going to enjoy this video. So when I had a zero knowledge about English and when I got my college admission from my school, so our college has an environment of English, and one day what happened, I still remember this story, that one day my English teacher, she was teaching an English lesson in our class, okay, and having done her teaching, she started asking question to everyone, right? Except me, everyone in my class were looking so confident and they were giving their answers so fluently. But I was one who kept hiding herself. I was kept hiding myself, not because I don't know the answer, but because I was afraid of English. Okay, I was afraid of English. So English used to be ghost for me. But today, if I'm able to speak good English, if I'm able to speak understandable English, then all became possible just because of my hard work, my dedication, my willpower, my consistency, whatever you would love to call. Right? I have not done any magical to learn this language. You might have think the people who speaks in this language, they might have some superpower or they might have done some magic in their past. No, this is not like that. As I could do that, definitely you will do that as well. I used to prevent myself from my teacher, from the student who used to sit very next to me. I used to prevent myself from participating in college event, in program, just because of this language. It really, whenever I thought about this language, I used to become scary. Okay, but through this video, I will tell you that no, if you want to learn this language, then you can learn this language as easily as you have learned your native language, right? You just need to have this willpower and dedication to make you consistent throughout your journey, because this is really important. This would be your only true friend, okay, true friend which can help you to give you a decent knowledge to make you fluent in this language, right? So how you can start your journey, how you can learn speaking in this language? See, let me clarify. The problem, what is your problem? Your problem that you cannot speak in this language and you want to speak. Then start from speaking. Do speak, right? How you can start your journey? You can start your journey either from reading, from writing, from speaking, or from listening or watching, whatever you would love to do more. I have started my journey from reading because my English was too poor. I did not have a basic understanding about this language, so I preferred to start my journey from reading. Then gradually I moved with speaking, then I moved with writing. So this is how my journey's been. I was consistent with my learning, and still I'm learning, believe me. So this is all about today's video. I have done talking about English phobia and a fear of English language. I hope may not be completely, but you will get a bit of benefit from today's video. I wish this video is going to be helpful for you. If you would love this video, please share your experience, your thought, your opinion about this language. I would love to give you reply, and also if you would have question in your mind related to this language, you can drop your comment below this comment box. I'll try my best to give you information, to give you idea as intact as possible. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.